Hello everyone, I'm Kuya and I'm now presenting the final solution of Team 2 to Coca-Cola Femsa. So what we have here is using the near field communication technologies such as RFIDs or iBeacons to track each can, bottle or every other products of Femsa. So we believe that by using the RFID tags we can accurately track the products and then the way they have been merchandised, and then realize the profitability of each exhibition point. Where according to our first presentation, we realized that the current trends in technology is Internet of Things, big data analysis, and then targeted marketing. We think that in the Internet of Things trend, we have to connect each item together. So by using the RFID tags, we can actually make a way that the cans can talk with a central computing system, and then send them back the information on the data. And then moreover that we can do a lot of analysis and then analytical analysis on the data that we gather, and then come up with a new solutions and come up with a new marketing plans and campaigns. And moreover that, we can actually target our consumers directly and then shorten the supply chain by eliminating the stores and then even the modern channels. So we can actually target the end consumers directly instead of going through the retail stores on the modern channel. Moreover that, we believe that as the barcodes changed the industry in 1974, the RFIDs will change the whole industry in the current era. So why not Femsa be one of the first movers and then take the advantage of being the first mover? So how we want to implement the system? So we believe that Femsa should actually make some changes in their manufacturing facility, and then using the RFID labels instead of the current labeling they are using. So when the Femsa use these RFID labels on the products, we can easily track them using the sensors. We can actually track them in the whole manufacturing, from whole manufacturing to end user. So even in our own facility, we can track the cans moving around the factory from the beginning of the manufacturing to the end of the manufacturing. And then after that, we can track the cans, bottles, or pallets in the shipping. I mean, for example, the cans should ship into the different cities, to the different channels, to the different retailers. So we can easily track them by using the RFID remotely. We don't need to have human resource personnel or special persons going around and then do the tracking. So we can eliminate a lot of costs by reducing the human resources. And then also in the retails, we can easily, by implementing the sensors all over the stores, we can track what is the percentage of the sales contribution of each exhibition point or sales of point, and eliminate those are not profitable. Now I want to talk about the advantages and then disadvantages, and lately about the takeaways of this solution. So we believe that the most important advantage of this solution is that it opens the Femsa to new opportunities, like doing the digital marketing and then targeted marketing, as I said before. By using this technology, we can add some more value to our operation. For example, we can develop a mobile app where consumers can easily scan or tag the cans and then purchase it, or just get information about the bottle or about the product. And then another important advantage is it's very difficult for a competitor to duplicate it, and then it gives us very huge competitive advantage in core. So because of the huge scale of Femsa, we thought that the fixed cost and then the whole implementation cost will be actually divided into a huge amount of quantity. so it will reduce our prices. So no other competitor can actually compete as in a price manner. Okay, to continue with the disadvantages, we realized two most important disadvantages for this solution. The first one is actually because it's a very big solution, it needs a longer time to implement. So for actually to overcoming this problem, we decided to offer it as a three-phase solution, as a short-term, mid-term, and then long-term, which can actually ease the process of implementing the RFID solution to our facilities. And then the other one is actually this solution needs a lot of modification in the manufacturing facilities, where the Femsa should actually somehow stick those labels to the bottles and then to the cans. So they need to modify some of the manufacturing facility to make that possible. And then moreover that, because of the sensors, we have to make some partnerships with the stores, retailers, and then shipping companies, and then whoever that can help us along this route, this path, and then probably some of the technology companies where they can offer us some better solutions and then implement the whole solution for us. So by keeping all of the advantages and disadvantages in mind, we realized this solution as our best offer to Femsa, and then as a very future-ready solution, which actually can give Femsa a great opportunity to expand their markets to the new countries. They can increase their efficiency, and then they can eliminate those exhibitions, sales of point of exhibition, which are not profitable, and then increase each exhibition's sales. Thank you. This was our presentation. Thank you for listening and attention. Thanks.